How are we doing, guys? It's Joe from Jordan Bikes. Got this little cracker for sale today. Suzuki GSXR750. It's a K8 is this one. Love a little clean bike, looks fantastic in black. It's got a Moto Graffix fit as well. So this isn't paint, it is a Moto Graffix fit. Basically like number boards, it's a thick gel and it just protects all the paint work. Looks fantastic. So some quick facts and figures. This one's a 2008 on an 08 plate. It's 11,369 miles. And it's absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, as you come across, it's got that Yoshimura exhaust. It's got a tail tidy fitted. You've got some braided brake lines. You've got R&G protection at the bottom of the forks. On the side of the bike as well for your frame and your engine. It's got a seat cowl on it with a Moto Graffix fit at the back as well. We have got the seat and the rear pegs as well. Just a lovely bike. Put the dash on for you so you can have a quick nosy. You've got power mode, you've got A, B and C. As you can see there, 11,369 miles. Pazzo levers. Just a good bike really, fitted with some lovely extras. Don't need to spend any money tightening it up, so we'll give it a start for you. And there she is. Nice little sports bike, get you ready for this summer. So if you want it, get yourself down to Jordan Bikes and get it bought. I don't think it'll be up for sale very long. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.